Hi, today I'm making an unconventional hummus. Most people think that hummus is only made from chickpeas, but hummus can be made from lentils, from green peas, from all kinds of other beans as well. So today I'm making an almond butter hummus with lentils, and my flavoring for the lentils and the almond butter is cardamom. So here's my ingredients here. I've got my lentils. I cook these a half a cup with a cup and a half of veggie broth and a bay leaf, so that yields almost 2 cups. And I've got my almond butter here. I've got lemon juice. I've got garlic, salt, and white pepper. And here's my cardamom. Now, cardamom is considered the 3rd most expensive spice in the world, so you have to take it out of this pod. And if you ask me what does cardamom taste like, then I would say cardamom tastes like cardamom. If you're familiar with chai tea, then that is your flavor. That's what cardamom tastes like, chai tea. It tastes like citrus and pistachios and has all kinds of good flavors. So these are the little seeds. And if you wonder how I came up with the idea, how does cardamom go with almond butter? You've seen me reference this book before. This is a great book. The whole recipe started because I had almond butter and I thought what would go with it with the lentils. So I'm going to put this in my spice grinder. This is a coffee grinder, but it's dedicated just for my spices. A little cardamom is going to go a long way. And this is my cardamom when it comes out of the spice grinder. It smells absolutely amazing. I love cardamom. So I'm going to put this into my little handy dandy mixer here. So I don't make a mess, I'm using my canning funnel. All my ingredients in here. My lemon juice. My almond butter. My spices, salt, pepper, and garlic, and my cardamom. I'm going to use maybe about half of this because it's still very, very strong. Cardamom is really nice if you put it into your whole pot into your coffee. Now this is quite thick, so it's going to need something to thin it down, and I'll add in my some of the cooking liquid. Start with about a half a cup here. Okay, we'll see how this works out here. If it needs to be thinned more, then I'll add some more liquid. There we have it, look at that. It's a nice thick consistency. Put it into my dish here. Now you can have this with pita chips or veggies. There we go. I hope you give this a try. I'll drop the recipe below. It's 6 points for 2 cups. So you can figure out from there how many points you have for the amount that you eat, and that's on the purple plan. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.